Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to delete your Snapchat account permanently. If you are using Snapchat and you want to delete your Snapchat account, so let's see how can you easily do that. So you just have to open up your Snapchat app, and here simply tap on your profile in the top left corner, and here tap on the settings option in the top right corner. And here you just have to scroll down and look for the option of delete account. Here's that. Simply tap on that. If you can't find the option here, you have to try to update your app. So open App Store or Play Store, and you have to simply search for Snapchat, and you have to make sure that you haven't any update pending here, or if you have any pending update, try to update your app. Once you have updated, it will give you option here, and once you get the option here, simply tap on delete account option. And here you just have to enter your username and password, and once you have entered, simply tap on the continue option, and after that your account will be deactivated. You can still reactivate your account in up to 30 days, or after 30 days your account will be permanently deleted. So in this way you can easily delete any Snapchat account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.